In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook send receive error. First, open Outlook. Give it a moment to load your mail. If you see errors or messages stuck, we'll walk through a quick checklist to get things moving again. Start by checking Outlook's online status. On the ribbon, go to the Send/Receive tab and look for Work Offline. If it's turned on, Outlook won't connect to the mail server. Click it once to toggle back online. You'll know you're online when the status bar no longer says working offline and the button isn't highlighted. If it was already online, leave it as is. Next, confirm your internet connection is actually working. Make sure Wi-Fi or Ethernet is connected and that other sites load normally. A live connection is essential for Outlook to sync. If messages are stuck, open the outbox. Large attachments can block the queue and prevent anything else from sending. Delete any stuck messages or drag them into drafts to resize or send later. This clears the path so new mail can go out. Now manually trigger a sync. Press F9 on your keyboard or choose Send Receive All folders from the Send Receive tab. Watch the status bar for progress. This forces Outlook to reconnect and reprocess the mail queue. If you're missing incoming messages, check the junk email folder. Sometimes legitimate messages are misclassified. If you find any, move them back to the inbox and mark them as not junk so Outlook learns your preference. Then review your mail rules. Go to Settings, then Mail, then Rules. Look for any rules that move messages away from your inbox and disable or delete those you don't need. A misplaced rule can quietly file new messages where you won't see them. If your mailbox is full, new mail won't arrive. Free up space by deleting old or unnecessary emails, especially those with large attachments. Don't forget to empty deleted items and junk to actually reclaim the space. Make sure your view isn't filtered. Set the view to all so every message appears. If filtering or search is active, you might be hiding messages you expect to see. Next, go to Settings, Open Account, select your account, and choose Repair or Verify Server Settings. This built-in check can resolve common configuration issues without changing your data. Finally, confirm your outgoing mail server settings. Ensure the SMTP server, port, and SSL or TLS options match your email provider's recommended settings. Incorrect encryption or port numbers can block outgoing mail. After these checks, press F9 again to test. Your send and receive should now work smoothly. If issues continue, reach out to your email provider's support for the exact settings they require.